First, and arguably most important element of standard work is takt time. The purpose of takt time is to solve an age-old problem and match production with demand. It is often referred to as the heartbeat of a lean production system, and so it is also with standard work. Takt time refers to the rate at which products, information, and/or services need to be completed in to keep up with customer demand. Much like the pulse of a heart rate, takt time tells us whether we are beating at a healthy rate or we are falling dangerously behind. Takt time is a calculation that divides the available production time by the customer demand. Here's an example. If a factory operates for a standard 8-hour workday, or 480 minutes per day, and their customer demand is 240 parts per day, the takt time would be 2 minutes per part. As you can see, takt time attempts to match production with the required customer demand. Takt time is essential in setting standard work because it sets the pace that operations need to produce at in order to keep up with customer demand. This is different from cycle time. Cycle time is the amount of time it takes to complete an individual operation or task from start to finish. In other words, cycle time is the time required, and takt time is the demanded time. Another way of looking at it is that cycle time is your current state and takt time is the goal. As you strip waste from a process and draw down your cycle times, the goal is to meet the customer's takt time. Here's an example. Let's say you establish some standard work, and the operator's current cycle time is 4 minutes, but your takt time is 2 minutes. We would need to review the process and look for ways to remove waste that may be slowing the process down and speed the process up. Now that you have an understanding of what takt time is, let's test our new knowledge out. Let's say you work at a factory and you work a standard 8-hour day, or 480 minutes. Your customer demand is 120 parts per day. What is your takt time? You can answer the question in the comments section, upcoming assignment section, or on a piece of paper at your desk. We look forward to hearing back from you, and we'll see you in the next module.